Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. So today we have an app where you can design different vectors. You can create various designs. So before we start, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel and like the video as well. So let's start. So the name of the app is Vector Nature. So basically this app helps you to create different vectors. You can also import some designs of vectors. So basically vector is a form of a design, a geometry wherein you can increase the size of the image or you can increase the size of specific drawing wherein you won't find any pixelation. The pixel won't tear there because there are no pixels. Those are pure geometry, pure vectors. So let's start with the mobile app. Let's see how you can create vector drawings and everything. So basically drawings are used for creating graphics on for various platforms for UI designing and everything. So let's get to the mobile screen and see how we can create it on our mobile screen. So here's the app guys, Vectornator X Vector Design. So it has 4.8 rating. So let's just open the app. So here it is. So it has some of the already available samples. So let me just show you, like if I open this sample, so there are different vectors created for this hair. So let me just select. So as you can see, I can move this. I can increase the size of this hair. So if I increase the size, there won't be any pixel tearing or anything. So this is what the vector is. So likewise you can create different vector images as well. So let's just create a new document and let's see what all tools it has. So basically it gives you already preset. So from A0 to A10 there are also size available. So basically A4 size is what we have a regular paper, and then you have resolution for images and standard ultra HD and many more. So let's just create for 720p HD. So here is our sheet. So we have different tools here: a regular selection tool, a cut tool, a pen tool. So pen tool is the most useful tool wherein you can draw different shapes. So for example, if you want to draw a face, a circle, so here you go. So if you click normally, it joins, and if you click and hold, so as you can see, here's a curve generated. And this is how you can draw different shapes. You can create curves, and then you have option to fill it as well. So basically you can change the color. So fill for this curve is set to none. So if you want, you can fill it with red color. So let's just select a color, red color, increase the opacity, and this is the color. So this is set. So as you can see, it has been filled. Similar way you can use the pencil tool as well. Pencil tool works same. You just need to select the smoothness. So down it is rough and up here it is smooth. So you can just drag and select the smoothness of the pencil, and this is how you can draw. So this is how it looks. Then you can change the color of the stroke as well. So if I remove the fill from here, so I just need to reduce the transparency, and the fill has been removed, and then I can change the color of the stroke. So I can make the stroke red as well. So the stroke has been made red, and I believe this. So let me, I have to first have to select yes, and then I need to change the color of the stroke. So this will be the color of the stroke. So I believe you are able to see it. Yes, this has been changed to red. This stroke is red, this stroke is red, and the strokes over here are black. Strokes are basically the outer edge or outer line, what you can say. And then you have option for adding text. Then you can create various shapes, and similarly you can go for various options over here. You can move the object, you can align it center, vertical, you can place the position in coordinates. Then you have option to create different paths for it. So path is basically what we draw, and this is the layer. You can also add different layers over here on top of each other, wherein you can able to differentiate between the layers. So yes, this is it for the app. This is how you can draw various vectors. You can create your own design on the go. So yes, that was it for the today's app. See you in the next video. Bye bye.